What's good, grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $19 per hour without a website. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $19 per hour worldwide without a website. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now guys, please hit that like button for me. I want to get 50 likes. So if you guys can help me get 50 likes, I'm going to give away some free money. And the way you guys can get this free money is just leaving a comment down below and hitting that like button. So once I get to 50 likes, I'm going to give away that free money to somebody by picking their comment. So please write a compelling comment that would probably amuse me and make me want to choose that comment and reward that person with some money. So let's hit that like button, guys. All right. Also, check down in the description below. I have some free gifts for you guys. So where it says free giveaways, there's going to be a link. Click on that link. It's going to take you to my website and you'll be able to download 3 free gifts. But before you do that, if you're new, you need to be subscribed to this channel to get those free gifts. So go ahead and subscribe. Go to that website down in the description below and get those free gifts. Also, I have other cool stuff in the description below. If you click on the link, you can get some money, earn some money right now. And also, I have a free tool in the description below that will help you with your views and subscribers for your YouTube channel. All right, please watch this video to the very end because I want you guys to know every step you need to take to make $19 per hour worldwide without a website. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. So let's grind and let's get it.
All right, I'm at this website. It's called Verbling. All right. What this website does is they hire people, or should I say teachers, to teach people how to speak different languages. So it says here, learn a language by speaking. Learn over 50 languages with 7,500 plus teachers on the most advanced language learning platform in the world. All right, it says here's professional teachers. Choose from thousands of native speaking professional teachers available 24/7. They have integrated platform, language tools, multi-device support, specialized education, and global community. And there's a video you can check out if you know to learn more. And how it works is you find a teacher, take a lesson, learn every day, and make progress. And here are some of the languages. It says right here, what language do you want to learn? English, Spanish, Italian, Japanese, Korean, and French. And there's some testimonies from people that use this website. All right, now we're going to go to apply to teach. All right, it says here apply to teach. Earn money teaching your language online any anytime, anywhere. So you apply here to become a teacher. And it says here, earn money, set your own hourly rates, and cash out your earnings anytime. Work anywhere, teach from home or any other convenient location of your choice. Teach anytime, adjust your personal availability anytime on your calendar. Flexibility, teach in any capacity, full-time, part-time, or just occasionally. International community, teach international students from every corner of the world. And gain followers, build up a community of followers while building your brand and identity. And there's a little video you can check out. And here's the frequently asked questions. Let's go click over here on payments. As a teacher, how do I receive payment? You can then cash out your earnings using various methods, including PayPal, TransferWise, Payoneer, or VerbalLink credit. Now here's another question you're probably going to ask. How often can I cash out my earnings? So earnings can be cashed out anytime. New earnings are unlocked and available for cash out every Sunday or Monday, depending on your time zone. So you don't have to wait a week, 2 weeks, a month, or 3 months. You can get paid every Sunday and every Monday. All right. Let's go to one other place here. We're at the Find a Teacher page. I just want to show you some of the rates that a teacher is charging to teach a specific language. So like this person right here, they're charging $23.25 an hour. So she's teaching English. Here's another one that's teaching English. They charge $12 an hour. And they're from the Philippines. Here's another person that's teaching. They charge $25 an hour. This person charged $19 an hour. And this person charging $23 an hour. So they have different, that's just the English. And as you can see right here, they have all the other languages: French, German, Italian, Japanese, Mandarin. And here's the others. So they got all different type of languages all around the world. So like I said before, this is available worldwide. All right, now, since I went ahead and did some research on this, I found out that the average amount is $19. So if you're charging $19, you're most likely going to get a click, because they have some rates people are charging $30 and $40. So $19 is the going rate that a lot of people will click on to learn a language. All right, now I'm going to show you another way where you can get even more students or more people that's interested in learning a language. I'm going to show you this method. So let's go to the next step. Okay, I'm on YouTube. Yes, you can use YouTube to get a lot of people to sign up for your classes, and you can teach them whatever language you want to teach them. So as you can see right here, it's a lot of videos on VerbalLink. So what you can do is make a video. You can make a short video. I know some of these videos look long, but you can make a little short video just giving a sample about the language that you're going to teach. You can say some words in your language, and you can say, if you want to learn more and take one of my classes, click on the link in the description below. So that's how that will work. And as you can see here, It's a lot of views for this, and it's been around for a while. Some of them been around 4 years, 5 years. I know it's not like millions of views, but it's enough views to get people to check out your class on Verbling. All right, so that concludes this method. So check out Verblink and follow the method and use YouTube to advertise your Verblink page.
All right, now you know the website you can go to right now that will start paying you $19 per hour without a website. So go ahead to that website, sign up today, open up your account, become a teacher, start teaching that language, and use YouTube as the method to get traffic to your Verblink account and start making that money. All right, thank you for watching this video to the very end. Appreciate y'all support. Appreciate you new guys checking me out. Please, if you're new, destroy that subscribe button and drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this video. Smash that like button so we can get to 50 likes and I can give away some money. Also, please share this on social media everywhere, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, that's it. I'm done. It's a wrap. See you in the next video. Deuces.
This is App Grind TV.